Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a flipbook in Canva. First of all, we open any browser. Go to the search bar and type Canva. Click on the first link. Once it's open, click on the search bar and type Flipbook. Scroll down and find a good template for a flipbook. Then click on any one that you want to use. After that, click on Customize this template. Once it's open, go to the left side, scroll down, and you can choose any template from here. Instead of a pro template, this is a sign of a pro template, so let's select another one. Kind of templates will be open in which select anyone. And then click on Apply All Pages. Again, click on Apply All Pages. You can customize any page according to your desire for creating a flipbook. Go to the right side and click on Share, then click on Download. And then click on Ping and select PDF. After that, go below and click on Download. It will start downloading. Open a new tab and type Hazine. Click on the first link. Once it's open, click on Upload and upload your PDF. Right here, go to the left side and type the title of that book. And then, now you can see your flipbook is ready. Let's try it. After that, click on Dashboard. Here you will find all the flipbooks which you have created in the website. Click on this one and click on Preview. And then click on Open New tab. Let's try it. That's the way to create a flipbook in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.